Apple might finally be catching up in one area where it's been seriously lagging behind charging speed. New leaked photos of the iPhone 17 Pro's internal battery parts suggest that faster charging could be on the way for Apple's premium models. The leak comes from tipster Majin Buu, who claims to have received these images from a trusted source, and it's giving us a look at some interesting changes inside the iPhone 17 lineup. According to the leak, the photos show the iPhone 17 Pro battery inside a stainless steel case. There are two different versions of this steel battery case, one meant for the US market and the other for China. The main differences between them are in their size and shape. The US version features a smaller L-shaped cutout, while the Chinese variant has a larger opening and is designed to hold a physical SIM tray. That's because iPhones sold in China still support physical SIM cards, unlike the US models that have gone SIM only since the iPhone 14 series. The stainless steel case itself is quite different from what Apple used to do. In the past, iPhones mostly came with soft pack battery cases. These were lightweight and made from a thin, flexible, foil-like material. While soft packs save space and reduce weight, they also have some serious drawbacks. They're more fragile, more likely to get punctured, and harder to remove when replacing the battery. In contrast, the stainless steel cases are much more durable, they're stronger, less likely to be damaged, and also offer better heat management. This is important because heat is one of the biggest concerns when it comes to fast charging. High-speed charging can generate a lot of heat, which if not managed well, can harm the battery over time. That's one of the main reasons why Apple has been so cautious with fast charging, unlike brands like Xiaomi, Vivo, and Realme that boast insane charging speeds, some even promising full battery in under 30 minutes. Majin Buu suggests that Apple may now be more confident about increasing charging speeds thanks to this new battery design. Both versions of the battery case, the US and Chinese ones, have welded edges and will use a new adhesive to make battery replacements easier. This could be a major shift, as Apple has always been conservative when it comes to battery design, performance, and user repairability. The stainless steel battery case was first tested by Apple in last year's iPhone 16 Pro. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max still used the older soft pack design. This year, Apple seems ready to fully adopt the steel casing, not just for the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max, but possibly also for the rumored iPhone 17 Air. This ultra-slim model might also benefit from the same internal improvements, helping it support better charging performance despite its slim profile. Of course, faster charging isn't confirmed yet, but the signs are promising. The switch to stainless steel battery cases means better durability and more efficient heat dissipation, both of which are essential for supporting higher charging speeds safely. Apple knows it has fallen behind in this area, and while it's been slow to catch up, this change suggests it's now taking steps in the right direction. A poll included in the report shows that most people want Apple to upgrade its charging technology. About 69% of voters think Apple has fallen too far behind Chinese brands and needs to improve. Around 27% still believe Apple will play it safe, while a small percent say battery life and charging speed don't really matter to them. If the leaked photos are accurate, it looks like Apple might finally be listening. Improved heat management, easier battery replacement, and possibly faster charging are all small but meaningful changes, and while Apple still won't match the outrageous 100-watt or 120-watt chargers found in Android phones, even a modest improvement will be welcome news for iPhone users. With the official launch of the iPhone 17 series expected in just a few weeks, we won't have to wait long to find out whether these leaks are real and whether faster charging is finally coming to iPhone. If true, the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and the iPhone 17 Air bring a noticeable improvement in how quickly we get back to 100%. Let's hope Apple delivers.